क्रिकेट प्रेडिक्टर पावर्ड बाय 1x बैट में आपका स्वागत है। T20 मेंस वर्ल्ड कप काफी इंटरेस्टिंग रहा है अभी तक और फाइनली हमें अपने 4 सेमीफाइनलिस्ट मिल ही गए, जो है अफगानिस्तान, साउथ अफ्रीका, इंग्लैंड और इंडिया। चारों के बीच में अब मैच होगा और देखते हैं कौन फाइनल तक पहुंच पाएगा। काफी ऐतिहासिक मोमेंट है ये और इस पे पूरी चर्चा करने के लिए हमारे बीच यहाँ दोनों गेस्ट मौजूद हैं हमारे साथ, जो है नोएल डेविड, फॉर्मर इंडियन क्रिकेटर, आज हमारे साथ यहाँ पर जुड़े हैं। नोएल, आपका स्वागत है प्रोग्राम में। नोएल खुद वेस्ट इंडीज के साथ खेल चुके हैं जी। नोएल, आपका होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था इस मोमेंट पे।
It's indeed great this thing to be back in Sam TV, and thank you for giving me that opportunity.
You're always welcome, Noel. We are happy to see you again. दूसरे गेस्ट को भी बुला लेते हैं। हमारे दूसरे गेस्ट हैं आज तन्मय मिश्रा, फॉर्मर इंडियन क्रिकेटर, केन्या इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेटर एज वेल। तो आपका स्वागत है आज के प्रोग्राम में, तन्मय।
Good evening, Damini. Good evening, David. Bye. How are you guys doing?
Good evening, Tanmay.
Excited for
Everything
top 4?
Is good.
We are, I was keenly watching all the games, especially the match between Bangladesh. I was not interested in India, Australia, because I knew, India will pull that out. Because that, as you said, the revenge, But I was more keen on Bangladesh and Afghanistan. I wanted Afghanistan to win badly. That ups and downs in that match was really putting my blood pressure little high.
No, I think Damini will be the first one to agree कि हमने पहले ही बोला था ग्रुप ए ग्रुप ऑफ डेथ होगा। देखिए आखिरी मैच बचा था उसमें और हमें तभी भी नहीं पता था कि हमारे टॉप 4 कौन है। ऑस्ट्रेलिया भी हो सकती थी, बांग्लादेश भी हो सकती थी और इन दी एंड अफगानिस्तान डिजर्व्ड टॉप 4 में आना करते हैं। उन्होंने बड़ी बड़ी टीमों को हराया। सो इट वाज ऑल इन ऑल दैट्स व्हाट वी वांट एज पंडित्स, एज एक्सपर्ट्स, टू सी एक्साइटिंग and unpredictability. That's what they've given us. We continued saying that this is group of death, and it's lived up to the expectations. And some of the cricket, I'm very happy for Afghanistan. There has not been a lot of joy as their former cricketers and cricketers pointed out, and this will give them, and I've just seen on the social media the celebrations that is happening in their country. So it's good for cricket, it's good for Afghanistan, and it sets up to be an exciting top 4 semi-finals now.
I have एक डर है मेरे को तन्मय, बोलते हैं कहावत बोलते हैं बोलते हैं कि जाने वाले को बुलाना नहीं वापिस बोल के, वो है इंग्लैंड टीम। एलिमेंट होते होते वापिस आए तो मुझे वो एक डर है। I'm scared of that team because they are peaking their game very high at the right time.
Look, David bhai, let's be very honest. You can't now that you're in top 4. There are no room for errors now. Like you said exactly. At one point it looked like England might not be there, and somewhere down the line, some of us pundits sort of wrote them off, and they'll definitely have a motivation and a point to prove. Let's not forget that they are defending champions also. So all in all, England is going to be a side. I just think, somewhere down the line, there is also this element of South Africa. इतना अच्छा, मतलब हमने बोला है कई बार कि इतना अच्छा नहीं खेल रही, but they find a way to win. एक champions का एक sign होता है कि somehow the line, whether you play good cricket or you don't, you find a way to win. That is what winners are. So it's a compliment to their cricket. For a very long time, South Africa hasn't been able to come into knockouts, and somewhere down the line, I just feel that they've been they cannot be written off. Now that they are so close to it. It's just a maximum number of 2 games, and it could be 1, it could be 2. And what do you think about how India has gone about this tournament?
I think they went on well. They planned, the execution was perfect. Yes, adaptation in New York, was not so good because they never expected कि wicket ऐसा भी रहेगा बोलते, because they never knew, drop in pitches जो US में जो खेले हैं न्यूयॉर्क में, and they were not. Yeah, and what I like about the Indian team is the unit, you know, getting together, you know, that's and performing together, and even celebrating each one's success. That was the key point, you know. It is not that अरे उसको मिला 50 runs मेरे को क्यों नहीं मिला. It was not. They were never selfish. They worked as a unit. They celebrated as a unit, and they won like a unit. So I think hats off to Rohit Sharma, Rahul David, and other support staff. See, the fielding also has come very good. You know, we set a standard. You know, from the start itself. From I think the fielding changed in 2000, uh, somewhere on 15, 14, 15 onwards. You know, the fielding standard has changed. You know, because of the fresh legs, new guys coming in. I think overall, if I just say in one word, you know, India is at the top of the Mount Everest.
Do you honestly think that was the perfect game before going into the semi-finals for India?
Of course. You know, playing a champion team, you know, like Australia, it's like a preparation, getting into this thing. It's like writing a pre-final exam before you can go into a main exam. You know, you prepare yourself for a pre-final exam. You know, you write a pre-final in a board exam, you write a pre-final exam, and then you go into the main exams. It's like that. You know, you have beaten a side which is caliber to beat any side on this thing, and beating Australia is with a good margin is, you know, not a joke. And I was scared in one phase of the match where Travis Head was batting. You see, you know, I thought again, yeah, यार फिर से अकेला जीता देगा क्या बोल के I was question mark in my mind. But you know, he played well, but unfortunately, what a ball that was. Slower one by Bumrah, foxed him up. So it was great to see our guys marching through into the semis. Now it is a key that we play the same game.
I think एक और चीज I want to emphasize on इंडिया की जो फील्डिंग की बात की आपने, you know, दिलीप फील्डिंग कोच जो इंडिया के हैं, उनको मुझे नहीं लगता ज्यादा क्रेडिट मिलता है. आई थिंक ही इज फ्रॉम हैदराबाद एज वेल. उनके बारे में कुछ आप बता सकते हैं हमको?
See, this guy Dilip has not played any first class games, or I know he's not played. He's played a one odd league match, but he's a student, MBA student. Hard worker, keen guy, passionate about his coaching. You know, and what I like of him is that he doesn't, say no to anybody. You know, he's like that. He is always, want to do something. So the way he does his fielding sessions, even when he started off, he was under me in the academy, and we both used to coordinate with each other. Then he toured with me for a tour with the Hyderabad team, where I was the head coach, he was the fielding coach. So a combination bana tha. But that guy, you know, he learns quickly. You know, he's good learner of the game, and you know, his fielding sessions are interesting. He catches hard work. खुद करता है, दूसरों को hard work भी कराता है. So that's it. But actually, if I be very honest, I think he is that, you know, before Dilip, it was R. Sidhu who set the tone with the Indian team. Okay, I think R has played first class games for Hyderabad. He's played around 35 to 40 games, Ranji Trophy. He knew it, and so all that. So I think it was R this thing, and R was also under the Dilip was under R. Sridhar in NCA camps and all. So I think both of them have, you know, he helped each other. So I think that's how, you know, they have Dilip has grown as a good fielding coach.
No, just to add to it, sorry, carry on, Damini.
No, I just had one question actually. कि हम लोगों ने देखा कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया बहुत दुखी हुई होगी फॉर श्योर, बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम दे वर वेरी क्लोज टू इट, एंड दिस टाइम लाइक अफगानिस्तान ने अपनी जगह ले ली पर ऑस्ट्रेलिया नहीं बना पाई. सो फॉर अफगानिस्तान व्हाट वाज द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट पॉइंट अभी यहाँ तक आने के रास्ते में? आपको क्या लगता है कि अच्छा मेरा सवाल यहाँ पर यह है कि अफगानिस्तान ने बहुत मेहनत करी. हम लोगों ने देखा अफगानिस्तान काफी नीचे भी गया, कई मैचेस हारा भी, और फिर दोबारा उन्होंने आए वापस, वो इस तरीके से वापस आए कि अब सेमीफाइनलिस्ट बन चुके हैं इस T20 वर्ल्ड कप के. तो उनकी क्या स्ट्रेंथ आपको लगता है कि उन्होंने अपने फेलियर से ऐसी कौन सी चीजें सीखी और अपनी स्ट्रेंथ और वीकनेस को मिला के यहाँ तक का रास्ता, यहाँ तक का सफर पूरा किया। नोएल, मैं आप दोनों से सवाल है।
Tanmay, go ahead, then I'll add on.
देखिए, कई सारे फैक्टर्स हैं। सबसे बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर ये है कि एक्सपीरियंस, तजुर्बा जिसको हम बोलते हैं, खेलने से मिलता है। जब बच्चा भागना सीखता है, चलना सीखता है, पहले वो गिरता है। It's the same thing with Afghanistan cricket. It's a very young cricketing nation, but in their short period of time, they have continuously focused on their development of players. उन्होंने कभी बाहर जो लीग्स होती हैं, उन्होंने अपने प्लेयर्स को हमेशा NOC दिया है, एक्सपोजर दिया है। वो जो एक्सपीरियंस वो गेन करते हैं बाहर की लीग्स में, जैसे रशीद खान हो गए, बहुत मशहूर हैं, he's played all over the world. Now there is Gurbaz, Nabi, who's one of their pillars of the cricket. He's the only person that I think 45 countries को उन्होंने defeat किया है. And when I used to play for Kenya, he was still playing for them. So you've got to respect that sort of experience of theirs. And now they have regularly been focusing on their game so much. Even the previous World Cup, 50 overs World Cup, they defeated test team playing nations. And these things don't happen by chance. A lot of consistency, a lot of hard work. So whether, we can say there are a lot of factors that have come into play. One of them is they are playing a lot like a team that is determined to do something for their nation. And they do it together. Even yesterday's game we saw, or this morning's game as you want to call it, they defended 115 runs. That doesn't happen if you just bat well or if you just bowl. It has to be some of their brilliant catching. It has to be understanding of the wicket, that this is not a 140 wicket. Whatever we get, as a unit, we'll chase it. You look at Rashid Khan, who's led from the front. He has consistently been getting wickets. And if I'm not mistaken, in their top 5, I think they have 2 or 3 Afghanistan bowlers that are the highest wicket takers. In their stats, if you want to call it, in highest run getters, I think Gurbaz is one of the highest run getters. So it's a collective thing that has happened for Afghanistan cricket, and this is good for international cricket. You will not at any point want to be taking a team like Afghanistan lightly anymore, because they have earned their position. They have earned every drop of their position in this tournament. So hats off to them and everyone in their management.
नोएल, आपसे सवाल है, अब काफी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट आ चुका है भारत के लिए। दे हैव मेड इट टू सेमीफाइनलिस्ट्स, और अगर देखा जाए उनकी परफॉर्मेंस पे हर टीम ने नजर जरूर रखी होगी, उनकी सारी स्ट्रैटेजी पे, उनके सारे मूव्स पे, जसप्रीत बुमराह की बॉलिंग पे, चाहे किसी भी पॉइंट पे अगर हम बात करें तो इंडिया टीम के सारे मूव्स को बहुत ढंग से देखा गया होगा सारी प्लेयर्स के द्वारा, अलग अलग टीम के। तो क्या आपको लगता है कि कुछ चेंजेस करने चाहिए अब उन्हें कुछ गेम घुमाने के लिए, क्योंकि ये सारे चारों धुरंधर हैं, तो क्या कुछ ऐसी चीजें उन्हें चेंज करनी पड़ेंगी जिससे वो आगे तक पहुंच सकें, या जो भी चल रहा है वो बिल्कुल ठीक चल रहा है आपके हिसाब से?
देखिए, बिफोर आई कैन टॉक अबाउट द इंडियन टीम, आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड ऑन टू तन्मय's अबाउट द अफगानिस्तान टीम। आप देखिए 217 में दे हैव गॉट दैट ICC मेंबरशिप 2017 and this year's 2024. 7 years में they are playing a ICC semi-finals of the T20 World Cup. Now that shows how keen as a team. Okay. Now, for example, Tanmay said about Nabi. Nabi is the only veteran guy who has seen all the phases of Afghanistan changing. Okay. He has played the lower from China Kunia. He has played, other teams which were lower to the teams which now who went on to beat Australia, New Zealand, Pakistan, all this during the phase of the 7 years. That shows the improvement, the keenness, and what league fixtures they have, or what domestic cricket they have. They have zero. Whatever cricket they have is that what they go out and play this T20 formats all over the world. IPL has 8 players of them playing in our T20 fixtures in IPL में. Okay, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में ले लीजिए, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में बिग बैश में रहते हैं, wherever, कनाडा में ले लीजिए, या you take West Caribbean Premier League. If these guys go around playing, because they don't have that opportunity to play back at home. That's why these boys are hungry. अंदर भूख है उनको कि आगे जाके अच्छा खेलना है, we need to improve, we need our team to be there at the topmost. अगर rightly तन्ने बोला, अगर कल का मैच देखो तो उनके सूरत पे दिख रहा था कि 115 भी हम जीत सकते हैं, वो इंटेंट था उनको जीतने का, they wanted this very badly. अगर आप जब भी कैमरा सपोर्ट स्टाफ या प्लेयर्स पे दिखा रहे तो they were all praying, you know, ये मैच जीतना है, जब क्लोज आ रहा है मैच, you know. एंड वन फेज में इफ यू मस्ट हैव वॉच्ड तन्ने, रशीद खान थोड़ा फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो गया था जब एक प्लेयर को क्रैम्प्स आ गए थे, यू नो, लिटरली बारिश भी पड़ रहा था, यू नो, ही वाज सेइंग यार कम ऑन गेट अप यार, ये टाइम पे नहीं, ये टाइम पे, बिकॉज he wanted the match to go. So that is Afghanistan, you know. I love this team from the you know, the way they started from, I think, 2019 onwards. I started to follow them, especially Rashid Khan when he was with Sunrisers. You know, the way how he plays, how he presents himself in the game. All that I was watching when he was with Sunrisers. But this team, in another span of 3-4 years, I won't be surprised to see them at 1 and 2 or 3. Now coming back to India.
Yes.
Yeah, coming back to India, if I tell, there's no need to do anything. There's no need of any changes. Yes, we are going to play in a new wicket. It's going to be a fresh game, fresh wicket. You know, Guyana, it will be a good wicket in Guyana. It's a bench, you know, it will, you know, ball will come. They'll not, because since it's a new wicket, no matches happened there. So what I think India need not to change anything. Keep it simple. We know we are playing the champion. You know, 2022 ka. You know, your strategy is should there only to win the game. You know, go out there, execute your plans, and the most important thing, put the runs on the board, because we have the bowlers to defend it.
राइट, तन में थोड़ा सा डिस्कस कर लेते हैं बॉलिंग पे भी, इंडिविजुअल बॉलर्स की बात कर लेते हैं। बहुत ही बेहतरीन बॉलर्स इस बार हम लोगों को देखने को मिले। तो अर्शदीप सिंह या हसन की बात करें, एनरिच की बात करें, हुसैन, फारूकी, इन सब के ऊपर आपका क्या कहना है कि इन लोग की ओवरऑल परफॉर्मेंस इस T20 वर्ल्ड कप पे?
देखिए, इनकी जो परफॉर्मेंसेज है, हर इंडिविजुअल बॉलर का आपने नाम लिया है, आई थिंक ये कहीं ना कहीं टॉप 5 विकेट टेकर्स में हैं, जो स्टैट्स बताते हैं, और ये इनके कंट्रीब्यूशन की वजह से इनकी टीम यहाँ तक पहुंची है। अगर हम फारूकी की बात करेंगे तो ऐसे विकेट पे इनको बॉल ये हिला रहे हैं अच्छे से, इनके वेरिएशंस अच्छे रहे हैं, और इन्होंने सरप्राइज किया है इस टूर्नामेंट में बहुत सारे बैट्समैन को। ये सनराइजर्स के साथ भी थे। अब कैसा है कि इनको जो एक्सपीरियंस गेन कर रहे हैं, विकेटें वेस्ट इंडीज की और इंडिया की सेम ही रहती हैं, बट यहाँ बॉल हिलाना भी एक स्किल है, जो कि देखिए, हम बड़े टेस्ट टीम प्लेइंग नेशंस की अगर बात करें तो उनसे हम ये उम्मीद करते हैं कि भैया आपको ये सब आनी चाहिए, बट जब कोई यंग नेशन रहता है और ये करता है तो उसको हमको अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए। जहाँ की फारूकी ने बहुत सारे विकेटें लिए हैं पावर प्ले में। इस फॉर्मेट में हमने हमेशा कहा है कि आप 1-2 विकेट निकाल दो, बहुत प्रेशर होता है, विकेट यहाँ आसान नहीं है बैटिंग के लिए, और जिस हिसाब से उन्होंने किया है। एनरिक नोकिया अगर देखेंगे हमने साउथ अफ्रीका के लिए, वो एक लंबे ले ऑफ से आए हैं। He's had his injury issues and he's come and hit the deck running. आप अर्शदीप की बात कर लीजिए। अर्शदीप is one of those bowlers that has consistently grown in Indian cricket. Look, it's not easy to leave out Siraj. You know, Siraj in the last 3-4 years has probably been, in the absence of Bumrah, been one of the best bowlers. You know, Siraj and Shami. So understand the compliment we are giving to Arshdeep for him to make sure that, you know, tactically Siraj is not being looked over him. It's a huge compliment for his bowling. You know, पंजाब ने इनको IPL में retain भी किया था, and he's grown strength to strength. A few years ago, I think it was 3-4 years ago, I remember watching him the first time. I also did, you know, there was one IPL के जो trials होते हैं, I was leading a practice match in Punjab Kings. उस time Punjab Kings बोला जाता था. And you know, Arshdeep, I had asked Arshdeep कि Arshdeep, do you want to bowl in death or where do you want to bowl? He simply told me, भैया कहीं भी bowling दे दो आप. You know, इतना बड़ा जिगरा होना बहुत important है. This is, I'm talking about 6 years ago, 2018 में. And at that time, he moved me with his words. You know, and his growth in international cricket and Indian cricket for a fast bowler has been very rapid. You know, you look at other players, मोहम्मद शामी को देख लीजिए, सिराज को लीजिए, कहीं ना कहीं एक मतलब 1-2 साल उनको लगा है कि यू फाइंड योर फीट, बट ever since the T20 format, Arshdeep has been a regular bowler for India. So कहीं ना कहीं इनका एक fresh wicket रहेगी, जैसे डेविड भाई ने बताया. He will have an important role to play. There's obviously Bumrah. I don't think so we can give enough praise. Right now, as a batsman, normally I like watching batters like Rohit bat, but there is no one in Indian team right now I look forward to the most is watching Bumrah bowl. He really excites me. Every time there is a situation where India needs him to step up, the man has stepped up. So I'm excited. रशीद खान भी ले लीजिए आप, तो कहीं ना कहीं ये आप देख लीजिए, मोइन अली है, आदिल रशीद है इंग्लैंड के लिए. They have all stepped up at their regular points to make sure that their team belongs into top 4. I'm just excited now to see what happens, because whether you're a batter or a bowler, there are no room for errors.
Yes, perfectly said. जाते जाते एक प्रेडिक्शन चाहती हूँ आप दोनों से. आपके एक्सपर्ट ओपिनियन में आपको कौन सी टीम्स लगती है कि फाइनल्स तक जा पाएंगी? अपना अंदाजा. मैं कोई वैसे नहीं कह रही हूँ कि बिल्कुल हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल है, बट आपको जो लगता है कौन सी 2 टीम्स है जो आपको लगता है फाइनल्स पहुंच रही है?
इंडिया, अफगानिस्तान.
परफेक्ट. तन्मय?
Look, कहीं ना कहीं, I know this on a personal level, Rohit Sharma is a hurting lion. Be very careful what happens next. As far as the other team goes, it's a 50-50. Both teams are on new territory. South Africa has, for long we've said that they have been an excellent team, but have never made it. Somewhere down the line, they've failed. It's an excellent opportunity for them, but they are up against a very, very competitive Afghanistan side. And make no mistake, they will be hungry as any other 3 teams in this knockouts to make it to the final, because for them there is a lot riding on. The passion we speak about. So I know for a fact, or I hope for a fact, India is there in the finals. It's difficult to predict between South Africa and Afghanistan. It's a toss of a coin for me. They both play excellent and they deserve their way here. As long as India is playing the finals, I'm okay with that.
Perfect. Tanmay, Noel, thank you for being a part of this program and sharing your expert opinions on this semi-final teams. So thank you very much. देखते हैं कौन जा रहा है फाइनल में और कब किसके हाथ में होने वाला है. कुछ दिन का और इंतजार है और उसके बाद विनर हमारे सामने होगा, पूरे दुनिया के सामने होगा, हमारा T20 मेंस वर्ल्ड कप का विनर. Thank you very much for being a part of this program on this and this amazing conversation. Cricket Predictor powered by OneXBet. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Damini.
Thank you.